Whey Protein Shake. Whey Protein Shake is the most widely used protein drink in the United States, and almost every fitness enthusiast has tried it at least once. It comes from milk during the cheese-making process, where liquid whey is separated and turned into a fine powder. When mixed with water or milk, it becomes a smooth shake that usually comes in flavors like chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry. What makes it special is how fast it absorbs in the body, which is why it is often called a fast protein. Gym-goers mostly drink it right after workouts to support muscle recovery and growth. A surprising fact is that whey was originally considered a waste product in dairy farms, but today, it is one of the most valuable fitness supplements in the world. People care about it because it is strongly linked to muscle building and fitness transformation. Casein Protein Shake. Casein Protein Shake is another milk-based protein, but it works very differently from whey. It has a thick texture and often becomes slightly pudding-like when mixed. Most people take it before going to sleep because it digests very slowly. What makes it special is its time release effect, meaning it feeds the muscles for several hours. Unlike whey, which acts fast, casein works slowly throughout the night. A surprising fact is that casein forms a gel-like substance in the stomach, which slows digestion even more. Bodybuilders prefer it during long fasting periods like sleep. People care about it because it helps prevent muscle breakdown when the body is not eating for hours. Plant Protein Shake. Plant Protein Shake is made from natural plant sources like peas, rice, hemp, and soy. It has a light texture and sometimes a slightly earthy taste depending on the brand. What makes it special is that it is completely dairy-free and suitable for vegans or people who are lactose intolerant. In recent years, plant protein has become one of the fastest-growing health trends in America. A surprising fact is that modern plant protein blends are designed to match the amino acid profile of animal protein. Many people choose it for ethical, environmental, and digestive reasons. People care about it because it gives a clean and sustainable alternative to traditional protein shakes. Soy Protein Shake. Soy protein shake comes from soybeans, one of the oldest cultivated crops in Asia. It has a smooth texture and a neutral taste when flavored properly. What makes it special is that it is one of the few plant proteins considered a complete protein, meaning it contains all essential amino acids. It is commonly used in both fitness nutrition and medical diets. A surprising fact is that soy protein was once studied for astronaut nutrition due to its efficiency and affordability. People care about it because it is a reliable, budget-friendly protein source with strong nutritional value. It is also widely used in meal replacement formulas across hospitals and fitness clinics. Many people choose it because it supports heart health when used as part of a balanced diet. Meal Replacement Protein Shake. Meal replacement protein shakes are designed to replace a full meal in a convenient liquid form. They contain not only protein but also carbs, fats, vitamins, and minerals, making them a complete nutrition package. What makes them special is their convenience. People use them when they don't have time to cook or eat properly. They are widely used by busy professionals and fitness users. A surprising fact is that these shakes were originally developed for hospital patients and astronauts who needed controlled nutrition. People care about them because they save time while still providing balanced nutrition. They are also used in weight management programs where calorie control is important. Some versions are designed to replace breakfast or dinner completely for simple dieting plans. Collagen Protein Drink. Collagen protein drinks are made from animal connective tissues such as bones, skin, and cartilage. They usually come in clear liquid form or lightly flavored drinks instead of thick shakes. What makes them special is that they are not mainly used for muscle building but for skin, hair, nails, and joint health. They became extremely popular in beauty and wellness industries. A surprising fact is that the body naturally reduces collagen production after the age of 25, which leads to signs of aging. People care about it because it is strongly linked to anti-aging and skincare benefits. It is also commonly added to coffee, smoothies, and wellness shots in modern health routines. Many users take it daily as part of beauty from within lifestyle trends. Egg White Protein Shake. Egg White Protein Shake is made from dried and processed egg whites. It has a light, clean texture and is often used by people who want high protein without extra fat. What makes it special is its purity and high protein concentration. Before whey protein became popular, egg white protein was one of the top choices among athletes. A surprising fact is that early bodybuilding culture heavily relied on raw eggs, even though modern science recommends processed versions for safety. People care about it because it provides a clean, high-quality protein source. It is also lactose-free, making it useful for people who cannot tolerate dairy-based proteins. Some athletes still prefer it for cutting phases due to its low-calorie profile. Clear Protein Drink. Clear Protein Drink is one of the newest innovations in the protein industry. Unlike traditional creamy shakes, it looks and tastes more like juice or flavored water. It comes in refreshing flavors like lemonade, mango, and berry. What makes it special is its light texture, making it easy to drink even when you don't want a heavy shake. A surprising fact is that it is made using advanced filtration techniques that remove the milky taste and texture completely. People care about it because it feels refreshing while still delivering high protein content. It is especially popular in summer because it feels like a sports drink rather than a heavy shake. Many fitness influencers use it because it looks more clean and aesthetic on social media.